So I'm going to show you how to attach the microphone of your Razer BlackShark V2 Pro headphones. So on the left ear cup, you're going to see the microphone slot. It's a 3.5 millimeter headphone socket. Okay. Now, if you look at the socket carefully, there's going to be an indent at the bottom. Okay. Now it's right here. So that indent should coincide with this part right here. So you can see on the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, we have this protruding part. So that's the part you connect to the headphones. Okay, so that's how you align it, because that part is this side. So make sure you align it properly so that when you put in the headphones, they stick completely and you're not able to like turn them. Okay, you can try twisting them with your two fingers. If they twist, then it's not properly inserted. They have to be resisting your twist, and it's really that simple. Okay, so now you can use them. You can just put on the headphones, and keep in mind that the microphone is on the left hand side. Thanks for watching and good luck.